Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is TAV here. So if you are using Internet Download Manager, I have a quick but important update for you. So just 2 days ago on July 9, 2026, IDM version 6.43 build 3 was released. This is a small maintenance update, but it fixes really some common annoyances. So let's check out what's new in it. So it's going to fix a problem causing IDM download panel to not appear on certain websites, and it's going to resolve certain proxy VPN related issues that caused download this video panel not to appear or caused 403 errors on some websites. So these fixes make downloading videos and files much more reliable, especially if you use proxy or run into any site specific problems. Now, since this version is only a couple of days old, so there are not any major new bugs reported yet, and that's really a very great news. Of course, like with any IDM version updates, some Windows 11 users might still need to re-enable the browser extensions if the download panel doesn't show up the right way. But overall, this build is looking good. So your question will be, should you update? And absolutely, this should be updated. And if you are especially facing certain issues during proxy issues in previous version, it's a small download that worth it for smoother performance. To download, simply you can come to this website called Internet Download Manager, and here you will find this Internet Download Manager button. Just click here. Once you click, it's going to ask you like, do you want to download? You can download from here. So since I have already downloaded it, I will straight away go into my tray icons, and from here I can launch my IDM. And currently you can see it's not updated yet, so I'm going to check for update, and then it's going to show me the same update details which we were checking on the official web page of Internet Download Manager. Just go ahead and click on update now. Just close your previous version windows and hit yes on this UAC control pop-up. Read the license agreement and then check this box. I accept the terms in the license agreement if you agree with these agreement details, and then click on next. Now the IDM download manager has been successfully updated. Click finish. To check, relaunch your IDM and go to help under about IDM sections. You can see here your version 6.43 build 3 is now updated. Currently I'm using a trial version here. So it's showing trial. In your case, if you have already registered, it will show your name and license key details here. So that's it about this new updates. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.